Year 7 Maths. Welcome. Are you excited for a fun learning session? Make sure you have your book and a pen before we start. Today you are going to learn about similar shapes. Congruence and similarity. Two congruent shapes have identical side lengths and angles. There are several conditions, and to check for congruence, check that the triangle satisfies one of these conditions. There are conditions of congruence. One of these is that the three sides of one triangle are the same as the three sides on the other triangle. There are conditions of congruence. One of these is that if both triangles have a right angle, an identical side and hypotenuse, they are congruent triangles. There are conditions of congruence. One of these is that if they have two identical sides, and the angle between them is also identical, the triangles are congruent. There are conditions of congruence. One of these is that if there are two identical angles, and the opposite side is the side, the triangles are congruent. Similar shapes have the same angles as each other, but the lengths of the sides are different. For two triangles to be similar, they must meet one of these conditions. For two shapes to be similar, then all three angles must be the same on both triangles. For two shapes to be similar, then the lengths of the sides are in the same ratio. For two shapes to be similar, then two sides of the triangle are in the same ratio, and one angle is the same. When shapes are similar, they have angles that are the same, and the lengths of their sides are in the same ratio. To find the scale factor of the shapes, use the following formula. Scale factor equals side length of shape B divided by the side length of shape B. Find the scale factor that takes triangle A to triangle B. To do this, you must first find the scale factor using the equation. Multiply the known side on the similar triangle by the scale factor. This will give you the length of x. Remember to include any units.